Hi. Today I'm going to make my homemade pizza dough in my KitchenAid beautiful color mixer. And I'm going to cook it for the first time in this Pizzarette terracotta indoor pizza oven. This is made for mini pizzas, remember? If you watched the other day, we made mini pizzas, but I want to take the dome off and make a big pizza in there. I never did. I'll try it. I have 1 cup of warm water. Warm as bath water. I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of sugar. Okay? Put that in there. I'm going to stir that around until it dissolves somewhat. Then we're going to put fast action or instant yeast in there. I need 2 1/4 teaspoons of that. Let's see if I have a 1/4 teaspoon here. I think I do on my bread measuring tools. Yeah, there's a 1/4. Oh.
What's 1?
1/4 teaspoon. We're gonna get this in here while it's still warm because we want the yeast to wake up. One, 2 teaspoons. And on the back here is a 1/4 teaspoon. Looks like a dog bowl, huh? Hurry up. 2 1/4. All right. Get that nice and wet. Come look in here. Stir it around a little bit. Comes to life. I'm gonna leave it sit till it looks foamy. It's getting activated for pizza dough. If we were making 20 or 30 pizza pies, like at the restaurant or the pizzeria, we have bulk measurements of this, you know that. So we're just making 1 right now, maybe 1 1/2. See how much dough I get out of this. We're gonna leave this sit for 5 minutes, and when we show you again, it'll be all frothy and alive in there, bubbly. See that? That's 5 minutes. See how it multiplied somewhat and got kind of bubbly? Now I'm going to add 3 cups of flour. Let's put this mixer blade back on. We're going to switch to the dough hook when it turns into dough. We're going to use bread flour. That's what Dawn says she uses, right?
Yep.
I'm making it, Dawn. We're going to use 3 1/4 cups, but we're going to put 3 cups in the mixer and save a 1/4 cup if we have to, if we think it's too thin or not correct. Okay? 1. I'm going to turn this on slowly because I like to play with it. Lock it down, turn on low. Oh, I like that. That's fun for me. 2. 3. We can use regular flour too, though. It doesn't have to be bread flour, but we like bread flour. Dust it up. Nice. So, a teaspoon of salt. Measure that. See? Lock down all right. Okay. Teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of salt. And a 1/4 cup of olive oil. We're going to mix this until it comes together like a nice dough ball. Alright, I'm going to switch to the dough hook now because it's getting pretty heavy in there. It's tightening up like nice dough. The dough hook is best for this anyway. See? That's much better. There we go. Dough hook. Oh, did you see the consistency? Look down in there. Did you see? Okay, so, you know, it's like dough. Alright, that's good. We just wanted this one to mix all the flour and all the liquid together. I love this machine. It's fun. It's a nice color too. Okay, I think that's enough. That was about 5 or 6 minutes maybe. Take this out, remove my dough hook. Nice. It smells like nice dough, look. See that? Dough. We roll into a ball, and we're gonna leave it rise in this bowl for about 20 minutes maybe, right? You could form your crust now, but we would like it a little bit thicker. It would be real thin if you formed it now and baked it right away. But we're gonna let it like this. I'm gonna put a little olive oil in the bottom of the bowl. That's what we did last time. Keeps it nice, keeps it from cracking. And you can use a separate bowl. I'm just using this one because I got it out already. Just a little bit. Just get on all sides. It was nice it didn't stick to my hands anyway before the olive oil, but this is going to be nice when it rises a little bit. Okay, that's it. Okay. Leave this set for 20 minutes and we'll be back. And cover the bowl so it stays warm in there. Then in about 5 minutes I'm going to plug in my Pizzarette terracotta pizza oven and preheat that. This is going to be a good lunch. I'm hungry now. Okay. It's been about 25 minutes. It expanded somewhat. If I let it go longer, it will rise even more. But that's good for what I'm going to do today. Done with my mixer. For now, I have a pizza peel back here. I was going to sprinkle it with this cornmeal. Maybe you saw that out there. That would be nice for the crust, but that's not opened. I'm just going to use some flour. Flour will be all right, right? Mm-hmm. I'm going to put some flour on my pizza peel. I'm not even sure if I'm going to use this whole bowl of dough because I don't want it too thick for that oven back there because of the heating element that's there, you know. Oh, this is good. Pizza pie, the pizza pie. I can do it. If there's some left, you can make yourself a little pizza, right? Huh. Mm-hmm. You can get 2 little pizzas out of this. So I'm going to have a full size there. This is kind of thick. If you want thick crust, you can make thick crust. I know I wanted about this round for the stone in there is just about this big. That's pretty good. Should I use all of this?
Looks nice.
Yeah. All right. I didn't even tell you all my ingredients. I had onion, ham I'm going to cut up, pepperoni, pizza sauce. Nice, nice, nice. Homemade. Alright, that's going to be good. I'm going to be able to slide it off the peel into that oven. Okay, that's about the size. I can make it thinner and cut some off, but I think this is going to be just right. I just don't want it real thick like that because of that heating element. And if I was putting it in a regular oven, I wouldn't care how thick it was. But I never made a whole pizza in that Pizzarette oven yet. I only made the minis. I know I can make a big one. I'm going to do that right now. Okay, let's get the sauce. Let me cut up my onion. Alright, look, I got some ham left over in the refrigerator. I got some onions, pepperoni, sauce, pizza sauce. Spread that around. Now here you can make it any style you like. You know that. You can make a white pizza. You can make a veggie pizza. I got my mozzarella. I should get that out of the refrigerator. Is it still in there? Yeah, I'll get it. Hang on.
Right here.
Oh, here it is. That's enough sauce. Beautiful. Love it. Mozzarella. Any kind of cheese you want. Did I miss a spot? All right. Let's see. Some onions down there. Make it however you like it. That's how I like it. All over. Cubes of ham. Ooh. Nice. A little bit of garlic. I would cut that up, but I got the squeezed garlic, which I like a lot, so I just want a few blobs around there. Oh, that's plenty. And we put our extra pepperoni on there. Gonna be good. $46 outside. I don't know why. It's a little chilly out. Back still hurts. Thanks for asking. That's enough, right? All right. Our oven is heating back here. You remember this oven? Remember, this is hot. And that's the other side of our stove, was more seasoned than the side you saw the other day. It's two-sided. We don't want to hit that heating element. Slide right off. Nice. Whoa, that's what I mean about you don't want it too thick, you know. Nice preheated. Okay, put the lid back on for the terracotta oven atmosphere. And I'll show it to you in about 5 to 6 or 7 minutes. I'm hungry. All right, it got a little high for the ring there. You remember I said I didn't want the crust to swell up a lot, but look at it. Oh, I think I like it. So, this pizza oven, I think it's best for the small personal pizzas, the mini ones. It's not made for a full size, but I had to try a full size because I said it'll fit on there, but I just had to do it. So it's out of my system and it smells good. Should I cut it now or let it cool? What do they do with the pizza place? They cut it right away, right? Yeah. Oh, I smell the ham in there and the garlic. Oh, this is a thick crust, that's for sure. Or a thin crust would have worked better in there, but that's not made for a full-size pizza, so I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't recommend that for that. Put in your oven or on your grill. I made these on my grill already too. Should let it cool though, so until I take a bite out of it. Oh, hear the crunch in there? You gonna have a piece?
Yeah, look at the steam coming off of it. Ooh, it looks good.
Oh, smells so good. I don't mind a little darkness there. See, that's where the ring was. I don't mind that. I love it. Ugh. Well, yeah, it's just like crust. Let me get a paper plate. Let me let this breathe a little bit because I don't want to burn my mouth again. At least we learned how to make pizza dough today, right? Yeah. If anything. And we're going to eat good right now. Let me get a paper plate. I might need a drink with this, though. Sure smells good. Which piece do I want? that piece. Homemade pizza pie. Nothing like it. Thick crust, look at that. It's real good. Onions here. Crunchy pepperoni, ham, garlic. It's real good. I love it. So as thick as that crust turned out to be, I probably could have cut that in half and rolled it out nice and thin. We'd have 2 thin crust pizzas if we followed that recipe in the beginning. But anyway, we were all curious about putting a full-size pizza in there, and we did it. And I wouldn't do it again. That's good for the little ones. But it's a fun gadget. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Stay safe and healthy. Please subscribe. Talk to you soon, all right? I'm gonna eat half of this. You want a slice, right? Mm-hmm. Bye.